Hi everyone. Grab your pickaxe and a stack of TNT because today we're combining Minecraft action with some explosive real-world science. Have you ever looked at a giant mountain and thought, could that thing explode? Well, that's exactly what a volcano is all about. In this video, we'll build a massive TNT volcano while learning how volcanoes erupt in real life, from the fiery magma deep underground to the ash clouds that can circle the planet. Let's get ready for a blast of knowledge. First things first, what is a volcano? A volcano is basically a mountain built by fire. Deep beneath the Earth's crust lies the mantle, a layer of super hot, semi-melted rock called magma. The Earth's crust isn't a single piece. It's made of giant slabs called tectonic plates. Where these plates pull apart, push together, or slide over each other, magma can find a weak spot and rise toward the surface. Over thousands of years, repeated eruptions pile up layers of lava and ash, creating the classic cone shape we all know. So, how does the big boom actually happen? Imagine a giant pressure cooker underground. Magma contains dissolved gases, mostly water vapor, carbon dioxide, and sulfur dioxide. As magma rises, the pressure around it drops. Those gases start to expand into bubbles, just like soda fizzing when you open the bottle. If the pressure builds too high, and the rock above can't hold it anymore, kaboom! The magma bursts through the surface. That's our eruption, molten rock, lava, super hot ash, and volcanic gases blasting into the sky. Okay, time to bring this science into Minecraft. Right now, I'm stacking layers of stone and obsidian to create the walls of our TNT volcano. Inside, I'm placing rows of TNT blocks to represent the gas-filled magma chamber. Remember, don't try this in survival mode, unless you want to respawn a lot. When we light it up, it's going to mimic the explosive force of an eruption. But before we hit the flint and steel, let's learn about the different eruption types. Not all volcanoes behave the same way. Scientists usually talk about two main styles: effusive eruptions. These are gentle flows of lava, like the volcanoes in Hawaii. The lava is runny, so gases escape easily. It's hot, but not very explosive. Explosive eruptions. Thick, sticky magma traps gases until the pressure is enormous. When it blows, you get towering ash columns and pyroclastic flows. Famous examples include Mount St. Helens in the USA and Mount Vesuvius in Italy. Our TNT build is definitely an explosive type. Let's drop some epic volcano facts while I wire up the last bits of TNT. Mount Etna in Italy has been erupting for more than 2,000 years, making it the most active volcano in Europe. The largest eruption in recorded history was Mount Tambora in 1815, which cooled the global climate and created the year without a summer. There are over 1,300 active volcanoes on land today, and even more hidden under the ocean. Volcanoes aren't just dangerous, they're also creators. Their eruptions build new islands, like the Hawaiian chain, and their ash adds minerals to the soil, making farmland incredibly fertile. Without volcanoes, Earth's atmosphere and continents would look very different. They're a key part of our planet's life cycle. All right, the TNT volcano is ready. Let's count down. 3, 2, 1. Ignite. Watch those blocks fly. See how the explosion shoots debris upward and outward? That's a pretty good Minecraft version of an explosive eruption. Minus the real-life lava and toxic gases, of course. In real life, an eruption doesn't end when the lava stops flowing. Ash can drift for thousands of miles, cooling the climate. Rain can mix with ash to create dangerous mud flows called lahars. Wildlife, plants, and people all have to adapt quickly. But over time, life returns and new ecosystems grow on the fresh volcanic soil. And that's the science behind volcanoes and our TNT Mega Blast. Today we learned how pressure, gases, and molten rock work together to create one of nature's most powerful forces. Volcanoes remind us that our planet is alive, and constantly changing. If you enjoyed this mix of Minecraft building and explosive science facts, tap the like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Let's keep discovering the wonders of our world one block and one big boom at a time. See you in the next adventure.